सोशल मीडियावर जलस्रोत मंत्री विनोद पालेकर यांच्या संदर्भातील पोस्ट टाकताना एका महिलेचा अवमान केल्याप्रकरणी हंजून पोलिसांनी गुरुवारी आरटीआय कार्यकर्ता आयरिश रॉड्रिग्स यांची चौकशी केली। पोलिसांनी आयरिश यांना गुरुवारी चौकशीसाठी हजर राहण्याची नोटीस बजावली होती। त्यानुसार आयरिश पोलीस स्थानकात दाखल झाले। त्याचवेळी सवेराचे कार्यकर्तेही हंजून पोलीस स्थानकासमोर हजर होते। त्यांनी आयरिश विरोधात घोषणा देत त्यांना त्वरित अटक करण्याची मागणी केली।
I received the notice this morning at 9:45 to appear before the Anjuna police station at 11. But since I had two matters this morning before the Honorable High Court, I sent a letter to the PI through a special messenger requesting to reschedule the notice. But since the matters before the High Court were adjourned, I sent a message to the PI that I'm coming today itself because as an officer of the court, it is my duty to cooperate with any investigation, and in any investigation, nothing but the truth should come out. I have given a detailed statement and answered all the questions posed to me by the police, and it is very clear that I have not violated any law. The truth will come out, and as I have already said, the Fisheries Minister Vinod Palyakar, Vijay Sardesai and Durgadas Kamath have hired an NGO and a section of the media. You must be knowing that some of the media has been saying that I have been absconding. I have not been absconding. In fact, yesterday I was the whole day at my office with the Old Goa police station who had come to investigate the complaint filed by me, the dog squad, the fingerprint experts and everybody there. So it is really surprising that a section of the media has been reporting that I am absconding. There is nothing to hide. I have not violated any law, and I am very confident that the truth will come out. I have given my detailed statement, and I have also told the PI that any further clarification he needs from my end, that he could call me anytime. And even at a short notice, I have today come and done my duty with cooperating with the investigation, so that law should take its own course. Thank you.
Is this politically motivated?
Yes, in fact, the whole complaint against me is totally politically motivated. There are some police officers that they can manipulate, but I'm proud that we have some good officers in the Goa police who will not succumb to this political pressure. This is all orchestrated by Vijay Sardesai, Durgadas Kamath to try to tarnish my image. But my image in the state of Goa is very clear. My work in the social field for the last 40 years is before the public, and the public of Goa will judge me, not persons like Vijay Sardesai and Durgadas Kamath.
I wish you had taken the name of the Milton.
See, I would not like to divulge any statement that I have made before the investigating officer, because it should not influence or vitiate the investigation. So all that I have to tell the investigating officer, everything has been narrated. I have answered all the queries that he had, and let the law take its own course. It is not proper that I should share something that I have stated in my statement, because I don't want the investigation to be vitiated. Thank you.
ही केस आमच्या फुड्यान येयली आहा तेचे तपास चालू आसा. सो आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता आनी ऑफेन्सीस बेलेबल आसा. सो रिजंट जे जजमेंट्स आसा तेजे प्रमाण आमकां सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या कायद्या प्रमाण चलपा जाय. वॉट एवर नेम्स डिस्क्लोज तांकां क्रॉस एक्झामीन करपा जाय. सो वी विल इंट्रोगेट अगेन एंड अगेन.
You have whatever you
That
want to
is
do.
my discretion whether to arrest him.
Exactly. So all this will be
But I have to call him again and again for interrogation. No, I am not permissible by law. Whatever I have to do, I am doing.
पण आम्ही आज हांगा येयली अंजुणा पुलीस स्टेशनार, आणि खरें म्हटल्यार ते ऑफेन्स आहा, बेलेबल ऑफेन्स आहा, आणि बेलेबल ऑफेन्स असल्या कारणाने आमी पीआयन आमकां सांगला की तेका आमी चौकशी करता. आमकां गरज आसलेली तेका अरेस्ट कर म्हणून, पण ते जर चौकशी करता आनी तो जर सपोर्ट करता हेचो म्हाज्यान म्हणूंक जायना. कित्याक तेका जर सपोर्ट करूंक जाय आसले, तो एक आदोगाद सोशल वर्कर आरटीआय मेंबर तो, जाल्यार तेणें कित्याक इतले दीस येवन सपोर्ट करूं ना. तेका एका दिसाक सुद्दां अरेस्ट करपाक हांकां कपासत ना.